Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the header, as you can see I've done here at the top. So to do this, you want to go to the Insert ribbon. You want to find the text group over on the far right and choose Header and Footer. When you do that, it'll take you into the header, and you'll notice that you have all these different boxes. The left box is for left align, the right box is for right align, and the center box is for center align. So depending on the alignment, you'll click on the box. Now notice you got this new design ribbon. So if you wanted the file of the name to appear up there, it's so nice. You can just click on it and it adds this weird symbol in, but basically what that means is add file name here. And so now you could see it's actually adding in the name of this file, which is actually the wrong name, but no worries about that. Or I can type something in. So I'm going to type in my name. And then to get to the footer, I'll just scroll down to the bottom. I'll click Add Footer. And if I want the current date to go there, again, I'll click on that. Notice the weird symbol goes in. It's just the code telling Excel, hey, current date. And when I click off, it actually shows me that date there. Now you'll notice I'm in a little bit of a different view when I come into the header, so I can actually see the margins. So if you want to get out of that view, down here at the bottom right, this little grid box right here is the normal view, taking you back to the view you were in before. And the second box here is the page layout view, which will take you back so you can see that your header and footer still exist. That's it for headers and footers.